Hello, Earth Schoolers. My name is Megan. Thank you so much for joining me today to talk about felting. I'm so excited to share this with you. I have a background in painting and drawing, but I discovered wool as an art medium and I absolutely love it. I love the fluffiness of wool and being able to use it almost just like paint. And I love that it's a natural material that I can make art with. I also love it because there's so many different things you can do with wool. You can make art by wet felting, by 3D needle felting, and 2D needle felting, which is what we are going to be talking about. So I'm so excited to share with you how to paint with wool. So we are going to get started by talking about all the supplies and the tools, and then we are going to do a little practice piece. We're going to make a color wheel. So let's see here. I'm going to kind of show you a little demo. We have our wool here. I'm going to show you a fun way to mix colors. I'm going to grab some white. This is what I love, mixing it, just like paint. Wool is amazing as well because it's so forgiving. So I can, if I decide I don't like that, I can just pull it right off. So this is going to be a really good exercise to figure out how much wool to be using for your projects, the amount to use on here, and really great practice for actually using the tools. It's great to start out learning how to use this, and then for our next couple of projects we'll start using the single needle as well to get some more details in. So I thought the color wheel would be a great project to practice with, because we are going to refer back to it in our future projects when we are going to be shading things. There is really no wrong way to do this besides using your tools correctly so your needles don't break. Okay, so we have made a color wheel. We've talked about what we're going to use the color wheel for in our future projects, and hopefully you have gotten plenty of practice punching in the wool, getting the wool in the spot that you want it to be. I'm going to pull this up gently, and we are done. Thank you very much for joining me, and we will see you soon for our next projects. Bye.